Good day, I am Captain Filimon Tan Jr., the Division's Public Affairs Officer. Welcome to the Mechanized Infantry Division, Camp O'Donnell, Capas, Tarlac, the home of the Jardin ng Lunas in the 3rd Congressional District of Tarlac.
Welcome to Mechanized Infantry Division, the home of the Mounted Warriors. I am Major General Galohan, the Division Commander, and I have with me my Assistant Division Commander, Brigadier General De La Cruz, and Commandant of the Armor School, Lieutenant Colonel Dong Palafox, the man behind the Jardin ng Lunas. The Jardin ng Lunas is a joint undertaking between the Tarlac Heritage Foundation under Dr. Isa Suntay and the Mechanized Infantry Division. Dito po tayo.
Dito sa Jardin ng Lunas ng Camp O'Donnell Mechanized Infantry Division, makikita naman po natin na God has blessed this camp with a beautiful terrain. Sa kagandahan ng location, ng site ng organic vegetable garden at saka ng fruit orchard at tilapia ponds nila.
One of my tasks in this joint endeavor between our unit and the Tarlac Heritage Foundation is to assist my division commander na maging successful itong proyekto na ito. At ito ay naaayon din sa iba pang misyon ng aming unit at yon ay kaakibat ng IPSP Bayanihan at parte rin ng ating National Greening Program.
Ako po si Lieutenant Colonel Palafox at kasama po ako sa unang nag-conceptualize at nag-implement ng programa ng Jardin ng Lunas dito sa Mechanized Infantry Division ng Philippine Army. In accomplishing its objectives of bettering, improving po yung military enhancement, livelihood program ng ating mga kasundaluhan, ang Mechanized Infantry Division po nung panahon ay naghanap po ng mga partners. Ang Tarlac Heritage Foundation ang tumugon sa pangangailangan namin ito. And with this, we were able to develop a program, yung Jardin ng Lunas na nga po, at ang ating Division Orchard. And eventually, pati po yung development at saka pagpapabuti ng ating fish pond.
I am Colonel Budyungan, the Chief of Staff of the Mechanized Infantry Division, Philippine Army. We were looking for a suitable livelihood project inside camp that will benefit the soldiers and their dependents and the surrounding communities. Tarlac Heritage Foundation, which is responsible in the bilinismo ng Tarlac, the culinarya ng Tarlac, and the publication of its cookbook. And they also do projects at the museo ng probinsya ng Tarlac and the Jardin ng Lunas and other worthwhile projects. And upon the direction of the division commander, we started networking, linkaging, and collaborating with the Tarlac Heritage Foundation.
Jardin ng Lunas is planted with different kinds of vegetables and medicinal plants.
Ako po ay si Major Mario Jigmen, ang Assistant Chief of Staff for Civil Military Operations G7 ng Mechanized Infantry Division Philippine Army na inatasan ni Division Commander na isakatuparan ang master plan ng Tarlac Heritage Foundation para sa Division Orchard at Gulayan dito sa kampo.
Kami po yung bumubuo ng garden team sa pangunguna ni Major Sanchez. So makikita po ninyo sa aming likuran, sa mga paligid, yung bunga po ng pinaghirapan namin.
Kami po ang East West Seed Company. Sa Farm Ready po kami po ang nag-provide ng seedlings ng buong Hardin ng Lunas. We've been a partner with Hardin ng Lunas for 2 years already. Dito po sa Camp O'Donnell, kami ang nagbigay ng technical assistance din.
Ang partnership namin ng Tarlac Heritage Foundation at ng Mechanized Division ay napakaswerte. Dahil ang lupain na nasasakupan ng aming command ay napakaganda para sa pagtatanim. Meron po ditong nagtatanim ng mga palay, meron ditong mga mangga, but then hindi po siya organized farming o integrated. Now with the entrance po ng Tarlac Heritage Foundation, tinuruan po kami ng integrated farming and gardening. Dito po, nasusuportahan ho ang ating pananim kasi meron hong natural na mga fish ponds po dito within the area, and ang mga lupa po dito, yung tinatawag na sandy loam, which is very good for planting.
In collaboration with the Tarlac Heritage Foundation headed by Dr. Asa Suntay, we have implemented the projects in coordination with the Armor School. It was divided into 2 phases. The first phase is the conduct of the seminars participated by the dependents and the personnel of this command para maturuan gumawa ng gamot galing doon sa Hardin ng Lunas.
I'm Master Sergeant Onofre B.D. Guzman, the designated Sergeant Major of the Armor School. Mga kasama ko ngayon, ang aking mga kasama na take charge dito sa fish pond. Meron tayong 2 fish ponds at nandoon sa taas yung isa.
Dito naman ang ating division orchard. Marami tayong itinanim dito na iba't ibang klaseng fruit-bearing trees.
I'm Major Crescencio G. Sanchez Jr., the team leader of the orchard team, and ito po sa likod ko ang aking mga kasama. Ang mission namin ay i-clear yung mga matataas na damo. So as a result, the barren land was transformed to a productive land.
Sa 3 project na partner kami ng Tarlac Heritage Foundation, 2 na doon ang naging involved ang military. Una sa Camp Aquino and pangalawa dito sa Camp O'Donnell. Napakaganda na nitong lugar na to. Napaka-lush, napaka-green, full of fruits, at talagang matutuwa kayo. So kami sa BNO Green Corporation ay gustong magpasalamat sa Tarlac Heritage Foundation at sa Camp O'Donnell. Mabuhay kayo at sana'y magtuloy-tuloy itong project na to.
Yan ang munting kubo na itinayo ng ating mga kasandaluhan. Ginagamit natin yan sa mga family activities. Pinapagamit natin sa kanila upang magkaroon sila ng kunting kapahingahan during holidays.
I'm Major Matt L. Saratan, the Commanding Officer of Engineer Combat Company. And at my back is my men. The Armor School Rest House was designed by my operation and estimator and architect, Staff Sergeant Arsenio Bulacan. This rest house is a combination of concrete and lumber. We are tasked as construction company of the Mechanized Infantry Division.
The natural contour of the land at Camp O'Donnell's Mechanized Infantry Division is a blessing for a project like Jardin ng Lunas. But what makes it more remarkable is the commitment and the dedication and the total support that the project has received from the divisional commander, Major General Nicanor Dolohan, to the Assistant Division Commander, Brigadier General Mayoralgo de la Cruz, and all the officers and men down to the last soldier of Camp O'Donnell. So ang success po ng Jardin ng Lunas sa Camp O'Donnell ay kanilang alay po sa kasundaluhan ng Armed Forces of the Philippines at sa buong lalawigan ng Tarlac.
Ako po si Major Rinaldo Elmina, tagapangalaga ng mga candidate soldiers at sinisiguro ko po ang kanilang partisipasyon sa ating Jardin ng Lunas. At hinihikayat ko ang mga kasundaluhan dito sa loob ng Camp O'Donnell na maglaan ng kahit konting oras dito sa ating Jardin ng Lunas. Sinisiguro ko sa inyo na ang oras na inyong nilalaan ay hindi masasayang dahil maraming benepisyo ang makukuha natin dito sa Jardin ng Lunas.
In essence, Jardin ng Lunas is not only a livelihood undertaking of the command, but as a response to address climate change and food security through the spirit of bayanihan. And I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincerest thanks and profound gratitude to Dr. Isa Suntay, the chairwoman of the Tarlac Heritage Foundation, and all other stakeholders for all their support and making this undertaking a reality. To all of you, thank you very much.